Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are talking about the definitions of the phrasal verb take up. The first definition means to start a new activity or interest. Usually, we're talking about a hobby in this case. For example, my brother recently decided to take up playing guitar, so I bought him a guitar for his birthday. Or, I've taken up jogging every morning because I need to improve my health. The second definition for take up is always followed with a space afterwards. This means to consume or to occupy that specific amount of space. For example, we need to get a smaller table for our kitchen because this one takes up too much floor space. Or, these files take up a lot of disk space on my computer. I should put them on a cloud server. The third definition is always followed with a period of time, to take up time. This means to occupy or consume the specific amount of time. For example, that customer service person took up so much of my time, almost 20 minutes, so now I'm late to work. Or, I'm really sorry for taking up so much of your time, but I have just one more question. If you enjoyed learning about phrasal verbs and their definitions from my videos, please give this video a big thumbs up and I will continue making these types of videos in the future. Also, if you want to practice this video, you could leave a comment down below with an example sentence for me to correct, or you can follow the link I have down in the description for the website Youglish, which you can practice this phrasal verb in the context of YouTube video clips. Check out my website at mrspESLtutor.com or by clicking over here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and take a look at a few of my other videos by clicking here. Have a wonderful rest of your week. I will see you next time.